In the previous videos, we learned about SEO basics, search engines, and Google algorithms. Now the next important question is, how does Google understand what your page is about? The answer is keywords. But simply adding keywords is not enough. You also need to place them in the right places. And that's exactly what we learned today: keyword placement and optimization. Keyword placement means strategically adding your target keyword in important areas of your web page so search engines can clearly understand your content. Think of it like giving signals to Google. When Google crawls your page, it checks specific elements to understand the main topic. If your keyword appears in those important places, Google can easily recognize what your page is about. But remember, natural placement is the key. Let's look at the most important places where keywords should appear. 1. Title tag. The title tag is one of the strongest ranking signals. Your main keyword should ideally appear in the title. Example, instead of writing tips for better websites, write SEO tips for better website ranking. This helps both search engines and users understand the topic. 2. URL. Your page URL should also include the keyword. Example, yourwebsite.com/SEO-keyword-placement. Short, clear URLs perform much better. 3. Headings H1, H2, H3. Headings organize your content. Your main keyword should appear in the H1 heading, and related keywords can appear in H2 and H3 headings. This structure helps Google understand the content hierarchy. 4. First 100 words. Google pays special attention to the first part of your content. So try to naturally include your keyword within the first 100 words. This immediately tells search engines what the page is about. 5. Image alt text. Search engines cannot see images, so they rely on alt text to understand them. Adding your keyword in image alt text can also help improve SEO. 6. Meta description. While meta descriptions are not a direct ranking factor, including the keyword here can improve click-through rate. Because when users search, Google often highlights the keyword in the description. 7. Throughout the content. Your keyword should appear naturally throughout the content, but don't overuse it. Focus on writing helpful content and the keyword will fit naturally. Many beginners make one big mistake: keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing means repeating the same keyword again and again just to rank higher. Example, best SEO course for SEO beginners who want SEO training and SEO learning. This looks spammy and Google can penalize such content. Instead, use related keywords, synonyms, natural language. Modern SEO is about context, not repetition. Here's a quick pro tip. Instead of targeting just one keyword, try using keyword variations and related phrases. This helps your page rank for multiple search queries. And it also makes your content sound more natural. So in simple words, keyword placement means putting your target keyword in the right places. When done correctly, this helps search engines clearly understand your page and improves your chances of ranking higher. In the next lesson, we'll learn about something extremely important for SEO: keyword research. How to find the right keywords people are actually searching for. Because without the right keywords, even the best content might never get discovered. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next lesson.